Today I'd like to show you the new Revolution fork truck stop. This was designed to be placed roughly about 6 to 8 inches in front of the turntable and bolted to the floor. The idea behind this is when the operator on the forklift or the tow truck, when they roll up to the turntable and they're looking to put a pallet on there to wrap, it'll stop the forklift wheel about 6 inches away from the turntable. That way the operator can drop the pallet back out and they don't have to pay very close attention when they're rolling up to the wrapper to drop the pallet. It'll prevent the forklift from going too far and allowing the pallet to hit the turntable or to hit the carriage or to hit the tower of the stretch wrapper. I mean, this will save in numerous amount of damage. Now, it can be used for stretch wrappers, it can be used for the Revolution floor scale, it can be used at the end of automated stretch wrapping systems where there's a conveyor and the forklift has to roll up and pick up the pallet at the end of the conveyor. Now, just to give you a brief overview, obviously we have it painted safety yellow so it stands out against the color of the stretch wrappers and the floor. And you can see here it's made from 1/2 inch thick steel plate, and the overall width is 41 inches, which is just a little bit wider than the forklift itself. And the depth of the unit is 6 inches, and the overall height to the top is 2.5 inches. Now, as you can see from this unit, we have it pre-drilled with 4 holes, which you can see from the back here. So this has allowed it to be mounted with floor anchors into concrete, and it'll take an awful hit before it will budge or move once it's anchored to the floor. And on top you can see here, it's the same 1/2 inch thick heavy duty steel, and it's welded at an angle to the plate. And the way this works is the side with the holes, that gets placed in front of the turntable, so as the forklift rolls up, it just hits the angle and sits there, and it doesn't allow it to go any further to hit the wrapper. And you can see here, you'll be able to see the side of the unit. Turn it around. You can see here where you have the 1/2 inch thick steel where it's welded to the base plate, and again here, this is the part where the forklift wheel hits here, and then the forks drop the pallet on the turntable, allows it to back out, and then the wrapping process can continue.
Yeah.